Hi Neri. So the question is, I've been getting constant headaches since August. Could you let me know what is wrong with me? Firstly, there isn't anything wrong with you. But when we're looking at headaches, there's three types of headaches that we can get. There's the tension headaches, there's the migraines, and then there's the sinus-based headaches. But what I feel I'm going to focus on for you today is the tension headaches. So basically, tension headaches are created from doing too much. So the headaches are coming from what I feel is a busy lifestyle. So what we need to do to settle down those tension headaches is to slow down. Stop doing so much. And it may not be physically slowing down, it may be overactive thinking that's happening. So we need to slow down our bodies and slow down the thoughts and the mind and the processes that are happening there. That's what we need to do in a lifestyle basis. But what we can do physically to support you with your headaches is to just slow down and get the rest. I want to apply a Brahmi oil to your scalp, to your head, which will help settle down the excess nervous energy that's happening within your body, the electrical energy that's happening within your body. And what we also want to look at is where the emotional balances and the stress is being created, and what you need to do to balance out those emotional imbalances and stress. So what's caused you to feel like you need to please everyone else? What's caused you to feel like you need to do everything for everyone else? Not always focusing on you, not always prioritizing you first. Start prioritizing you first. Start caring for yourself, and you'll release the tension headaches. That's on an emotional basis. Physically, as I said, the Brahmi oil. Start to, go get yourself a massage or have a bath that has oil in it, like a black sesame seed oil would be the most beneficial. Just to calm your whole system down, which will calm the tension down which is happening in your brain and creating those headaches. You can also diffuse peppermint oil or lavender oil around yourself, so in your home or wherever you're near during the day, your work desk or wherever it may be, just so you're inhaling that peppermint oil or that lavender oil, which is, as we inhale, it goes straight up into our brain and it'll settle down the overactivity that's happening in the brain. And what you want to do is look at creating a regular routine for your eating habits. So tension headaches can be created from irregular eating routines. So the body is not certain when it's getting food or not getting food, so it's constantly in this chaos internally. So if we create the regular eating habits, whether it's 4 or 6 meals a day for yourself, let's look at a time window that's within half an hour each day. And yes, I know you've got a busy lifestyle, which you may be like, oh, I'm not sure about that. But for your body, for your head, to release these headaches, we need to put this in place. Set an alarm to make this a priority. You need to make your priority, which will release the headaches. And your routine around food and eating will support with that. I know this information will support you, provided you take action to do it. But if you want to find out a little bit more about us or look into any of our retreats or courses, please go to www.uniquecommunity.com.au and go to experiences to find out about those. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing back from you and hearing that you've followed these guidance and that you've been able to release your headaches. And please take care. Quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor, however, I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.